In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox App Keeps Stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your Roblox app is stopping while you're trying to use it, or even when you're not using it, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, we need to troubleshoot our Roblox app by going to settings on the phone. And from settings, look for this option, apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Roblox. And here it is. Go to for stop and OK. And finally go to clear data and clear cache. OK. Finally clear all data. Once you are done, now restart your Roblox app, and you want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN or you don't have any recently installed security app, as this might be causing the problem. Turn them off or uninstall them temporarily to see if the error has gone away. But should your Roblox app still stop, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for Roblox and see if we have any update. Update your Roblox app to the latest version. But sometimes even after updating, you might still encounter the same problem. If you are experiencing this problem again, then most likely Roblox might contain bugs. To fix that, you will need to uninstall Roblox and then install it afresh. Now by doing this, you should now have a free Roblox account that is free from bugs. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.